Hi, you guys, it's your girl Bluerissa, and today I am here with part 2. In my last video, I was talking about the progress I made within a week, and today I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I did a bit more plucking and tinted the lace better. And I also did some baby hairs, and you can really see the change with the last install on Jess and this week install. And I'm gonna talk a little bit through this video just to mention some steps I took to achieve the progressed look. Also, of course, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new, subscribe, and like, share, and comment. Yes. As you guys could see in the beginning, I cleaned her forehead with a little bit of alcohol just to dry the skin and clean all the oils and stuff, so that the lace won't lift. It is really important that you clean the hairline with some alcohol, because if you want to prevent lifting, that is like the first thing you have to do when you do an install. And then I go in with my ORS, oh my god, ORS Fix Me spray. Yes, I guess it's called Fix Me spray. And I added like maybe 2 layers of the gel and the spray to I wouldn't say glue the lace down, but gel the lace down, but it works like glue. Like you will see when I blow dry it a few times, when it's getting tacky, you will see that it's going to stick on her head. So I noticed that I added a little bit too much of the gel and the spray, so I'm gently pushing it back into the back of the lace line, if that makes sense, so that I won't have to fix too much, because if you add too much lace glue or gel or spray or whatever, and you want to remove it, that will also cause the lace to lift. So make sure you just don't add too much. As they say, less is more. You can always add more, but at some things it's gonna be harder to make it lesser. Is that even a word? Lol. So I looked it up. Lesser is a word, so I don't have to redo my voiceover, because that is so exhausting to redo your voiceover. So here, within like a few seconds, you can see that I missed a spot adding the gel and the spray, but that is okay, because less is more and you can add more if you like, and that's what I'm doing right here. So I just added the amount of glue or gel and spray I needed, and boom, right there, it is fixed, sis. and I go right back to the other side and do the same thing.
Well, exactly. What lace?
Stick where?
Still where?
Here you see me remove some of the gel I overused, and this is like one of the things I'm still working on. Like, I want to use less of the glue and the gel and add more if I need to, then remove it, because that will cause lifting, and I really don't want to cause no lifting. So I'm working on it, and it's getting better. But this was one of the few moments I was like, damn, I messed it up a little, but I fixed it right after. Ooh, and here we're gonna do some baby hairs. And before we start, I wanna do a disclaimer. This is a fresh, clean toothbrush, okay? It was never used. It came fresh out of the package. It is not a used toothbrush. And also, I don't use the toothbrush anymore to do the baby hairs. I just use these small combs with the two-sided combs. One with the like a brush-ish, and the other side is like a small, tiny comb. Because when you growing your clientele and you got people that pay to get their hair done, you really don't want to use no toothbrush, even if it's used or not, or like it is fresh out of the package. That is just not a professional look. So I'm not using that. And also, she was my girl. She really didn't give a, oh look, there is the brush I'm using now for the baby hair. But as I wanted to say, Jess is my girl, but also, like, if you're my girl, my family or something, whatever, I really want to still work professional. So that is why I don't use a toothbrush no more. Also, a tip from beginner to beginner: when you want to do baby hairs, please take your time and use enough mousse or gel or whatever you like to use, because when you're using enough mousse, the hair is gonna move and it is gonna be easier to do the swoops. But if you're not using enough mousse, it won't move, and that might be the reason why you're struggling doing the baby hairs. And also, take your time, please. Keep redoing them, but be gentle. You really don't want to be rough on your client's head, but take your time. Like, I had to redo it like 3 or 4 times a baby hair each to get the swoop I wanted. And even after I redid the swoops a few times, I still wasn't how do you say that? Oh my god! Right, I got it. Satisfied enough. When I'm not satisfied enough, I just keep redoing them. I keep redoing them till I'm satisfied. And at some point you have to stop, because when you're just starting doing baby hairs, you might not get it the first time, you might not get it the second time, maybe not the third time, but the fourth time you will get better. Yeah, so keep practicing. Also, watch these videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on how they do baby hairs, and really pay attention on how they do it and how much product they are using, because that will really help you to get better at doing baby hairs. This was maybe my let's say third time doing baby hairs, and because I kept practicing, my baby hairs, they are bomb, but they still can get better. But I'm not being too hard on myself. I see the progress. This is what I'm talking about. Yo, listen, I'm so proud. I love it. Every video you will see progress. It says progress. Yes, the curls, the baby hairs, the swoop, the melting, the lace, the tinting, everything is getting better and better and better. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.